Right, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Jadi saya nak sharekan uh, penggunaan Excel yang ringkas lah. Contoh, so kita berada dalam sheet Excel sekarang. Kalau student nak save kan, so klik file, save copy, okay. Sebab saya dah ada save as try file, so dia akan keluar save a copy. Tapi kalau first time nak save, dia akan keluar save and kita beri nama file lah. Okay. For example, yang format tadi untuk tujuan project A213, okay, space Bikal 1013, for example my group is group F, okay, and for example the group name group alpha, okay, and click save. Okay, so automatically follow the format A213 Bikal 1013 group F and the group name. Okay, in this case group name is alpha. Okay, second I want to show how to print Excel. This is Excel file that contain the month and a few data, and kat sini kita ada formula. Okay, formula dia sum AH to H6. Okay, so how to print formula. So we have here manual, file, home, insert, page layout. You just click formula and choose show formula. Okay, it will show the formula lah. Okay, right, so this is the formula, and student has to print out this one. And if you want to make it smaller, okay, in case they want to save the space, okay, so just highlight and double click here and it will open space accordingly lah. Okay, then student can print file, print. Okay, so this is what will appear if we print. So the formula is here, right? So hopefully it's a benefit to everyone. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.